Good morning, first PC students. The yesterday some exercise 1.2 exercise this balance is there. So first the starting from the set briefly explain. Once again I will explain sets. First set. Once again listen carefully. Set. What is the set? A set is a collection of well-defined objectives. A set is a collection of well-defined objects. Collection of well-defined objects. Okay, the set first an example, set of all natural numbers. Set of all natural numbers. The set is denoted by capital letters. For example, A, B, C and so on, capital letters. In the set collection of well-defined objects. Objects is nothing but elements, articles, anything. Okay, object is nothing but anyone. So well-defined objects, the set are defined by any capital letter. Sets are defined by any capital letter. In the element of the set, in set elements, set is denoted by capital letters. In the set elements are denoted right in the small letters. Small letters means small a, b, c, this type. For example, set of all natural numbers. Natural numbers is a defined elements, objectives, well defined objectives. For example, take it a is equal to set of all natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Natural numbers, there is no ending. Starting number 1, ending number there is don't know, but this is and so on. This is braces. This bracket is called braces. Braces is called braces. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay. Next to set of all natural numbers up to 10. Set of all natural numbers up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Set of all natural numbers up to 10 is set. Next to write all vowels in the English alphabet. All vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Small letters, using small letters. What is the difference? This is the set name, total the set. This is the elements in the set. The elements in the set are denoted by small letters and the set, total set denoted by in capital letters. So set one example. Set of all natural number is a set. Set of all even natural numbers is a set. Set of all animals is a set. So another example. Write 5 dangerous animals in the world. Dangerous animals in the world. This is not a set because set of all 5 dangerous animals or 10 animals, dangerous man, something this one. Another write 5 dangerous animals in the world. 5 dangerous animals is not a set because, for example, some members, lion is a dangerous animal. Some members like lion is a dangerous. Some members, tiger is a dangerous animals. Next, python is a dangerous animal. Some members, fox is a dangerous animal. This is some different type of thinkings. So this type of collection is not a set. Okay. Next, write 11 batsmen in the cricket. 11 batsmen. Okay, batsmen. Some 11 batsmen are good batsmen. Good batsmen. Good batsmen. Some members Sachin is a good batsman. Some members say Dhoni is a good batsman. Bowler. Some members. So this is different types of thinkings. So this type of collections is not a set. Okay. For example, another example, write 5 clever students in our class. 5 clever students in our class. Clever. Some members are say that person is a clever. Some member this person is a clever. So different mentalities. So this type of collections are not a set. Next, sets are two methods, two forms. What is the first one? Roster form. Roster form or roster method. First, all numbers, all collection of all numbers. First, collect the all objectives. Collect the all objects being separated by the commas. Each element separated by the commas. First, for example, vowels in the alphabet. Vowels in the English alphabet. First, collect that numbers. For example, A, E, I, O, U. First, collect the all objectives or numbers, letters or anything. First, collect. This number we can write separated by the commas. Each number, each object separated by the separated by the commas, and using the braces. This is bracket. ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಆ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಈಚ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, write odd natural numbers. Write odd natural numbers up to 10. Odd natural numbers up to 10. 1 is a odd number, natural number. 3, 5, 7, 9. Write the odd natural numbers up to 10 by the roster form. By the roster form means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Odd natural numbers. Normally natural numbers are 1, 2 and so on. Natural numbers. Odd natural numbers means 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Even natural numbers means 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. This is even natural numbers. So this is collection and separated by the commas and by using the braces. Okay, now by using the braces. Some more examples. So many examples are in exercise 1.1 are completed by so many examples. Next, belongs to. The symbol of belongs to. Does not, belongs to. Does not, belongs to. So this is right in the letter words. BELONGS, belongs to. This is symbol. This is the word formation. Belongs to. What is the meaning of belongs to? For example, A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, 1 belongs to A, 3 belongs to A, 5 belongs to A, 7 belongs to A. 6 does not belongs to A. 1 is the containing A or in the set A. 1 is the containing the set A. Containing 1 is the containing set A, or 1 is the element of A. So 1 is element A set 1, 3, 5, 7. 1 is the set A. 1 has the element A. 3 has element A. Okay. A has element 5. 7 has element A has element 7 in the set or containing the set. 7 is the containing A. 1 is containing A. So 6 does not containing A. 6 not there in set A. Does not containing A means does not belongs to, does not belongs to not. This is equal to, not equal to. Less than, not less than. Not means this one line. Okay, next. Second one, no, set builder form. Set builder. What is the set builder? Set builder is this condition form. The condition form, for example, A is equal to, what is the first one now? Vowels in the alphabet. So first of all, this set of all x, this is read as set of all x, such that means 2 dots, or sometimes this one is also subset. 2 dots or line, both are same. X such that x is a vowels in alphabet. Vowels in English alphabet. Vowels in English alphabet. Vowels in English alphabet. In the same way, the roster form is what? That what is that vowels? You write in the by separated by the commas in the braces. This is number form, elements form. This is the condition form. For example, natural number up to 10. For example, natural number up to 10. So for example, x such that this is 2 dots or 1 slash, both are same. X such that x belongs to n. N means what? Natural numbers. X అనేది natural number. X అనేది natural numbers, complete means this is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, this one. There is no condition up to 6, up to 10, this type of. X belongs to n, means all natural numbers. X belongs to n, comma, and x is a natural number up to 1 to 10. 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10, or x less than or equal to 10, anyone. X less than or equal to 10, 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10, up to 10, anywhere. X belongs to n, x is a natural number, another one. So A is equal to set of all x such that x is a natural number. X is a natural number is lengthy, simple. X belongs to n means x contain in the natural numbers. X contain the natural number set. Natural number is word form or symbol form. Up to 10. Up to 10 means up to 10. Or x less than or equal to 10. X less than or equal to 10 means the natural number must be starting from 1. Is fixed. The natural number starting from 1. So less than or equal to 10 and below means 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 10. So many conditions. Simple. This is the set form, this is the word form. 1 less than x less than 10 is the same, and x less than or equal to 10 may same, is up to 10, both are same. This one belongs to set builder form, roster form, or belongs to, does not belongs to. Only element, we can use only elements, we have to apply elements. Elements belongs to set. Okay, this is the next to finite set to infinite set to. What is the finite set to infinite set to? The defined elements, the set containing defined elements, the countable of elements. For example, this is a finite set because first number is there and last number is also there. First is there, last is there. So this is 10, finite set. Infinite set, for example, set of all natural numbers. Set of all natural numbers is a infinite set because this first number is there, okay, no problem, 1, 2, 3 and so on. And so on means last number is, there is don't know last number. So infinity. Infinity means infinite set too. So finite number of elements. Finite number of elements is called finite set. So finite is 1 crore, 2 crores, millions, 10 millions, billions, or yeah, and so on is a finite. Finite is nothing but the last number is there. Confirm last number is there. Or 1 crore, 1 billion, 100 billion, any number. So last number is confirm is there means this is finite set. Last number is don't know last number means infinite set. Next, two sets are equal. Two sets are equal. Two sets are equal means, for example, the sets A and B are equal. Two sets A and B are equal. Two sets A and B are said to be equal sets. So that equal number of elements in the sets. Equal number of elements. A has 10 elements, B has 10 elements. That elements also same number of elements. Same number of elements. Same number of elements. Equal sets. This is the up to yesterday. Up to yesterday. Yesterday finite set to infinite set to equal set. Before day the set, what is the set? Okay, this is roster form. Given the roster form, convert into roster form to set builder form. Set builder form into roster form. This one. Okay. This is briefly explained. Some more examples. You want any examples? So many problems. You want any some model problems? You can see exercise sets chapter NCERT textbook. Already I did send the textbook sets chapter. Okay, so some more examples. You can do some more exercises problems. Okay, so yesterday what did we complete? Exercise 1.2 first part completed. First part. Open exercise 1.2. Next one, null set. What is null set? A set does not contain any element, 0 elements. Okay, a set contain 0 elements. Which of the following are null set? Set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Odd natural number is not divisible by 2 because odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 3 by 2 is a remainder 1. 5 by 2 is a remainder 1. So the 4 by 2 is a remainder 0. So 4 is even number. Even number is divisible by 2. So odd number is not divisible by 2. Not divisible by 2 means there is no number. There is no number means this is null set. Okay. Next. So many examples. Exercise 1.2 problem number 2. Exercise 1.2 problem number 2. Which of the following sets are finite or infinite? Which of the following sets are finite or infinite? Which of the following sets are finite or infinite? The given following sets are given. The following sets, observe that which one is finite set or infinite set. That is the first one. The set of months of a year. The set of months. Set of months of a year. Set of month of a year. How many months are there in the year? How many months? 12 months. Fixed. 1 to 12. 12 months. This is a finite set. What are they? 12 months. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. The set of months of a year is a finite set. Countable. 12 countable. Next, 1, 2, 3 and so on. 1, 2, 3 and so on is a finite set or infinite set? Infinite set, because there is no last number. You don't know last number. Is a infinite set. Next one. 1, 2, 3 and so on. 1, 2, 3 and so on. 99, 100 is the finite set because the last number is 100. The last number is 100. So this is finite. Fourth one. The set of positive integers greater than 100. The set of positive integer greater than 100. Less than 100 means up to 100. The last number is 100. Less than 100 means last number 99. Okay. Greater than 100 means 100 above. Okay, set of positive integer greater than 1 means what? 101, 102. Less than 100 means 1 to 99. Greater than 100 means 101, 102, 103, 104 and so on. Up to greater than means there is no last number. There is no last number means this is infinite set. Infinite. Less than, same problem, less than 100 means finite set to, greater than 100 means infinite set. Set of prime numbers less than 99. Set of prime numbers less than 99. Less than 99 means below 99. Below 99 means up to 99. Below, before 99. So there is a last number. Up to 99, the prime number. What is the prime number? You know prime number? 1 is not a prime number. 3, 5, 7, 9 is only odd number. No, not a prime number. 9, 11, 13, 15 is not a prime number. 17, 19, 21, 23, 29, this and so on up to. Less than means finite to, greater than means infinite to. This is the simple. Okay, next, state whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. Next one, no, the only simple things. The next one is some mathematical type. Mathematical type. What is the first one? No, third problem. Third problem, first one. What is the first one? Which of the state whether each of the following set is a finite or infinite. Same problem. Finite or infinite. Finite or infinite. What is the first one? No, the set of all lines which are parallel to x-axis. The set of all lines, the set of all lines which are parallel to the parallel to the x-axis. x-axis की parallel, x-axis की parallel आगी how many lines? For example, this is y-axis, this is x-axis. This is the parallel to x-axis, x-axis y-axis, parallel to x-axis. How many? Infinite lines. For example, this is the parallel to x-axis, this is the parallel to x-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on and so on. Not a limit. Uncountable lines. At the same way, y-axis parallel lines also, any line, not x-axis, y-axis, any line parallel to lines are uncountable, infinite lines. Not only x-axis, y-axis, any line parallel lines are uncountable. So this is infinite. Second one is the set of letters in the English alphabet. The set of letters. The set of letters in the English alphabet. English alphabet. English alphabet. How many English alphabets are? 26. 26 is countable. Countable means finite. This is the finite. What are the A, B, C, D, F, G, H and so on, A to Z. The set of numbers which are multiple of 5. The set of numbers which are multiple of 5. Which are multiple of 5. Multiple of 5 numbers is uncountable, because 5 ones, 5 2 so 5 3 so 5 into 4, 5 into 5, 5 into 100, 5 into lakh, 5 into 1 crore, 5 into billion, 5 into million and so on. So multiple of 5, any, not only multiple of 5, any number multiple of 5, multiple of any number, multiple of 1, multiple of 2, multiple of 3, multiple of any number is a infinite set. Okay. Next, fourth one. The set of animals living on the earth. The set of animals living on the earth is a finite set. How many angles in the living animals in the earth is countable? 2 million, 3 millions, 100 millions, 1000 millions, 1 lakh millions. This is countable. Okay. In the earth is also countable, water is not countable, earth countable. Earth living things are man, animals, birds, creatures, gems, all are countable. The set of circles passing through the origin, the set of circle passing through the origin. For example, this is a point, that of circle passing to origin. So this is x-axis, y-axis. The point of intersection is 0, passing to origin. So many passing to origin. One point, this one. This is uncountable. So infinite passing through origin. Next. In the following, state whether A is equal to B. In the following, state whether, check whether, state whether A is equal to B or not. Two sets are given, the two sets are equal sets or not equal set. This is meaning. The first one is A. A is equal to A, B, C, D, and B. B is equal to D, C, P, A. Both are equal sets. First numbers count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The numbers are equal means there is not necessary A equal sets, need not be. So numbers equal and same, equal and same, equal numbers. So A, B, B, C, C, D, D. The numbers sequence is not important. In the set, sequence is not important. So is to A is equal to B or not? A is equal to B. The second one. Second one, homework. Third one. A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So B is equal to x such that x is a positive even integer. X is a positive even integer. Positive even integer less than or equal to 10. So what is A? Okay. B. Positive even integer less than or equal to 10. 10 goda. Positive even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Less than or equal to 10 means equal to 10 also. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here also A is also 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So A is equal to B. Is there? A is equal to B. Next one. A is equal to Settler form. X such that X is a multiple of 10. X is a multiple of 10. So B is equal to 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and so on. What is a multiple of 10 means? Starting number 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. This is a multiple of 10. So this is what? Multiple of 5 is not correct. 5 is there means multiple of 5. So 5 is not there. This is the multiple 5 into 2 10 5 into 3 5 into 4 5 into 3 is equal. So here 15 is not there, 15 25 here not in 15 and 25 not there. So this is not a equal set. Not equal sets is symbol not equal to, not equal set symbol not equal to. Okay, okay, tomorrow I will continue the next problem. Okay, thank you.